Hi, so I ordered a present pet from Walmart.com and it was the last one in stock, but it looks like it's a return, and I'm going to be really upset if it is because the whole point of this thing is that it unboxes itself. So I was, as you can tell, getting ready to do a video, and I just opened it and I see Scotch tape and it looks like it's been all ripped up. So this is my video evidence that I'm probably going to be returning this. Yeah, look at this garbage. It's like all ripped up, but this is like unacceptable for a toy that unboxes itself. There was no indication that it was used on Walmart's website, so I'm really unhappy with that. I paid a lot of money for this, and so I'm pretty sure it's going back to Walmart. All right, but just in case this actually does still work, I'll go ahead and do the whole unboxing experience. So the one that I purchased is Diamond, or what's the other one's name? Diamond or Glitter or Sparkle or something. I don't remember what their names are right now. Yeah, there's Diamond and Sparkle. So I liked it because of the Dalmatian and the spots. It's a robot dog. It's definitely not as advanced as my Sony Aibo. Kind of reminds me of those old 80 toys that just kind of walk around and bark. But the unique thing is that it's supposed to unbox itself. So it says, pull here, unwrap, pull the gift tag, and reveal. All right. And we can see the back is facing me, so it wants me to turn it around. Easy to follow instructions. We might want to read that. You can tell possibly someone has purchased this and returned it, because it is kind of ripped up here. They tried to make it look like they didn't open it, but they did, probably. My cat wants to help unbox also. All right, so I have most of this off. I'm gonna cut the video here and lift it up out of here. Okay, well, upon opening it, even though I have a feeling it's been used and returned because of a lot of weird Scotch tape and some weird issues, it looks like it might be intact. So, God willing, we will be able to do a full unboxing video here. Looks like it is intact, hopefully. I don't know. We're gonna find out. All right, so this is the front of it. And then with the front facing you, you are supposed to pull this tag. We'll cut the video and we'll go ahead and give it a try. All right, everyone, we're going to open our present pet and watch it unbox itself. This is the front where it says present pets, and it says pull here. So we're going to go ahead and try to pull. It is taped down. Like I said, I think somebody returned this. I'll go ahead and cut the tape. All right, let's see what happens. Oh my goodness. They think it's a real animal. Oh my goodness, look, there's its paw print. My poor cats are very scared. It's good practice if you guys get a real puppy sister someday. And I can already tell from looking in the hole, we got the one with the gray ears, which I can't remember right now if it's Sparkle or Diamond. But... oh, it's so cute. You can tell on the side also it's getting ready to bust out. And on this side, it's also busting out. And my poor cat is terrified. Come on, you're almost free. You can do it. What do you think, Clippy? What do you think of the present pet? It's trying to unbox itself. I think it's supposed to be able to break through the whole thing. Wonder if it needs some help. I'm wondering if I need to snip off. There's a little bit of tape on it still. Like I said, I feel like somebody maybe returned it. But it's definitely still working, and it's still the experience that I was expecting it to be. Oh, it's tired. Oh no, don't go to sleep. Alright, hold up. This is not easy with one hand. There we go. I just had to cut a piece of tape to help it out. So there she is. And she went to sleep because the box was taped shut, so she had some trouble. But she definitely did bust her way out, which was really cute. And my cats are like, who on earth is this new animal? As they approach with caution. I need to wake her up again, though. Yes, wake up. My cats are like, not sure. Oh. It's so cute. All right, so I think that we have to scoop her up. It says to like push back and then pull up. So we're going to try that. I'm going to cut the video. All right, I think I figured it out. I forgot that in the video that I watched these two little bone things here spin to unlock it, I think. And there's one. All right, so I have moved both of the bone things that you can see in the picture. You twist them, then you push the doll back and up and out. So we're gonna try. I've already twisted the bones. Okay, so after about 12 minutes of really struggling to get the the right foot, I guess, would be out of here. I think I got it out. There, yay, she's free. I did turn her off because she was kicking me, and I did not appreciate that while I was trying to unbox her. All right. So there she is in comparison to my Aibo. She's smaller, and obviously she's not going to have the technology that Aibo has. Let's get where you can see her cute face.